Okay, number 8 is you must invest in training. I spend £250,000 a year on my personal development. I am invested in me first and foremost. If Joseph wants to get to 9 figures, if Joseph wants to get to 10 figures, Joseph's got to learn what it takes to run a business at 9 figures and 10 figures. Right now, I'm an 8-figure entrepreneur. I've built multi-8-figure businesses by the age of 34 years of age, but I don't have billion-dollar skills yet. Well, how do I get them? I've got to go and learn from billionaires. I've got to spend time around billionaires. I've got to pay for mentoring. I've got to pay for access. I've got to pay for training. And you're no different. If you don't train, you're not going to grow. And I say to every trades business owner that I meet, when was the last time that you did a business course? And 99% of people say never. And I say to them, well, when was the last time you did a trade course? Oh yeah, I went on the latest technology course about a month ago. So you're telling me that as the business owner, you're going to go and learn the next technology, but you've never learned about sales, you've never learned about marketing, you've never learned about finance, and you've never learned about operations. But you think that going on the next course to learn about a product is going to help you with sales, marketing, ops, and finance. And that's where so many business owners are mistaken. And it's just because there is no awareness out there that you can't grow a business with the skills that you had when you started. A plumber starts a plumbing business, an electrician starts an electrical business, and a builder builds houses. And then they go and start companies, but they don't learn about business. Now, you guys are all great tradespeople. I don't need to teach you how to do that. But what I will say to you is, you love training because you went and became an apprentice, and you also would have gone, like me, I'm a qualified plumber and a qualified gas engineer. I could go be a gas engineer tomorrow and make 50 grand a year. But I wouldn't do that because my skills now make me millions of pounds a year. And then there's sales and marketing skills. So you've got to understand the difference between the two. And if you did the training to become a great tradesperson, but you haven't done any training to become a great business person, then this is why your business isn't where you want it to be. So you need to dedicate, money and time to your personal and professional growth. Then you need to dedicate money and time to training your people and your organization to be able to level up. But if you don't invest in you, your business is going nowhere fast.